morning. We are back in one of our favorite hotels in all of Tanzania, Melia Zanzibar, and today we will show you the different room categories this amazing place has to offer.
Let's go!
Let's go! So now we have all the information, so let's go. Shaton is here, now we can go.
Yeah. Hakuna Matata.
It's the most quiet room. So on the left side of the main building.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Interesting.
Very quiet.
So that's good to know.
Because it is also good for the honeymoon.
Yeah. Of course. Here you can already see the ocean.
Yeah.
That's nice.
All the time when you wake up, you see the ocean. See, this is the baobab tree. The
Baobab, yeah.
Yeah, baobab.
Yeah, we had a juice in the room.
Yeah, that's a nice
So
one.
that
Is
Beautiful.
Once you go to Tarangire, you see a lot of things.
Yes.
The giants,
Yeah.
all the giants.
Yeah, if you haven't been to Tarangire yet, go to
Tarangire.
Of course, many times.
Many times.
It's one of our favorite parks.
Yeah.
Yes.
Favorite park.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Why is it your favorite park?
Because of the baobab, because of the elephants, because
Yeah.
of the change of the
Giants.
landscape.
Wow, I like
Yeah.
that. Giants.
Leopard, because everything.
So we're
go
here?
down. Yeah, we go down.
So 43. And you can hear the ocean. This is quite special.
Come and see the bathroom.
You like it?
It's beautiful.
It's amazing. Oh wow, there's a secret room. I didn't see that.
Yeah.
Okay, this is special. And the wood gives the whole place a very cozy feeling.
You know what I like the most? This is a coconut tree.
Okay.
You see how it looks?
Yes.
Very different from other trees.
Wow.
Yeah, here in Zanzibar you have this.
Yeah.
Look, have a look here.
Yeah.
It has like a black spot. Yeah, I like it a lot. I like it.
Nice. Thank you guys. So this is the Ocean View Bungalow. And I think the name says it all. You have ocean view in the bungalow, tucked away in this nice green oasis. You have a lot of butterflies here, we saw.
Yes, after the
It
rainy
was really
season,
nice.
all the
Rain
time.
season, yeah?
And in Tarangire also at that time there's a lot of butterflies.
A lot.
It's really her favorite part. Are we going to look at now? Romance Ocean Front Pavilion. So honeymooners, pay attention.
Yeah.
This one's for you. So now we have arrived at the Oceanfront
Really unique.
Pavilion.
I learn every day, you know. Every day you learn.
Yeah.
Welcome. This is the Romance Pavilion. The home of the honeymooners.
The home of the honeymooners. Thank you. Wow.
Beauty.
Very nice, yeah.
Gee, you almost don't need
No, you don't need a
the
TV.
TV. This is the best TV you can have.
It is.
Yeah.
So normally it's full. It used to be full until down here,
Wow.
but now it's low tide. So soon, I think 2 until 3.
Beautiful. Great room.
It's really, really nice. Wow.
This is my favorite room.
Yeah.
And you have all the amenities you need.
Yeah, you have everything.
Yeah.
And what's special is from your bed.
Yeah, you have like
Yes.
this is really like maybe we show that.
Yeah, this
We
is
show that
really-
because
this
really
is
when you
really
wake up, this is the sales argument.
This is what
Yeah.
you wake up
Yeah,
This is
You
amazing.
have the sunrise from this side.
Yes,
Wow.
true.
Sunrise from this side.
Yeah,
Normally
true.
sunrise-
That must be amazing.
Yeah.
You can have, you can stay on the balcony and experience the sunrise.
Yeah.
With the coffee.
Yeah.
Just a coffee.
No, great room category. This is really a great room category. The
Yeah.
Romance
Like-
Ocean Front Pavilion.
Yeah.
Wonderful. You meet the experience manager or not?
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
So this is a garden room.
Yes, this is the garden room and standard room.
And they will be refurbished, we were
Yes.
told.
Yeah.
So this is the lowest room category that Melia Zanzibar offers.
But you have everything you need. You have everything you need. Wow.
And for a standard room, that is a magnificent large bathroom. And here you have a huge shower. This is like the biggest shower ever. So this is the garden room, and now we're seeing the terrace room, which is upstairs. Therefore, we have to change the level. We're going one level above. And then we will have a look at a terrace room. Ah no, that's the family suite. This is not the terrace room. Yeah, that's the family suite. Yeah, it has an interconnecting door. And kids are for free here. Yeah.
This one alone.
Exactly.
So okay, so that's the terrace room.
That's the terrace suite.
terrace room,
terrace
and then
room.
you can have it as a suite.
Exactly, as a family suite, yeah. Since everything is so spread
There was
out,
an elephant.
even when the hotel is full, you don't really feel it.
Yeah. Because it's very huge.
It's so spread.
Yeah.
at the level. That is the level. It's the latest addition to Melia Zanzibar, and here they have beautiful pavilion rooms that are brand new, obviously. Also have to climb a few steps to get down, but it's gonna be worth it. And look at the materials. Beautiful, very modern, very bright colors.
Amazing. Now here you have the view from
And a few safari elements with these boxes. I recognize those.
Yeah.
safari.
Wow, what a big deck. And the beach. Very nice.
Very nice. As we have told you, it's low tide, so it's still low tide, but normally it will be full, so you'll have the nice view from here.
Yeah.
It will look very blue.
It is a safari style.
Yes, and that's what's amazing. It's a safari style room on the beach. I mean, this is very clever. Nzuri sana. Yeah.
This is the room.
Yes, it's wonderful.
Okay.
And look at this. This is so cool.
Yeah. Seating bar.
This is so cool.
Yeah.
Okay, I will see you later.
All right. Desk to work,
Yeah.
and also mini bar, coffee station.
Coffee or tea over there.
And I really like this lamp here. This is an old piece from a ship.
Yeah. It looks nice, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
Very old, man.
Yeah, it's from an old ship,
Yeah.
from an old Arabic ship.
That's why we love the nature, and this is a wooden one,
Yeah,
not the concrete one.
Exactly.
It looks natural.
yes, it's supernatural.
Supernatural.
You don't have interrupters. You just touch.
Oh, nice.
This is quite amazing. And the little detail like this is a very nice detail. And then
Did you see another nice detail?
that's what I'm looking for. I mean, this mug is wonderful. It's very, very tasty. Everything is very
Yeah.
tasty.
High ceiling.
And this is like, wow.
Yeah. Beautiful room.
You know, the only thing that is missing in these two pavilions,
Yeah.
only pool.
Ah, okay.
Yeah,
So,
true.
that's
If it
true.
was having a pool, it was.
It would
Yeah,
be perfect.
that's
But,
true.
Yeah, if there was a pool here, we would be in this room. That's why we're in the one-bedroom villa.
One
Exactly.
bedroom villa.
Because the pool is
The pool,
huge.
yeah, the
and-
pool is huge and it's awesome.
And that's why we have a lot of selection in
Yes.
the Melia
Yes,
section.
Zanzibar.
Melia
for
Zanzibar.
everyone. Everyone can get what they want here. If you want the safari experience, still after your safari, this is the perfect room to be in.
Yeah.
The 3-bedroom villa of Melia Zanzibar is one of the most special villas
And
in all of Zanzibar.
we have Jagger.
Again. Wow, wow, wow. We're in the end game now. This is incredible. This is really a very special villa because there's only one like this. And for the NBA freaks, D. Wade stayed in this room.
Yes.
So if you want to stay in Zanzibar like D. Wade and Gabriel Union, you should come here. It's definitely, if it's good enough for D. Wade, it's good enough for me.
Wow. Endstufe.
Yeah, that's a German term. Thank you.
Thank you so much. It was really impressive.
Asante sana.
Thank you so much.
And we are going back to
Here.
our home.
That's our home is here.
Exactly, that's here. Wow, that was impressive. And actually it was a lot of impressions. Because that's the thing, it's not only one style at Melia Zanzibar, it's really different styles. So it's really for everyone. Just depends, what are you looking for, what don't you like, what do you like, what maybe, yeah, what budget are you willing to put. One thing is for sure, you will get enough to drink and you will get enough food here, because there is so many choices, and of course you have a beautiful beach. So guys, that covers the Ricky and Shaton tour through the different room categories of Melia Zanzibar. Thanks for watching, till very soon.